Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. So guys, first of all you have to open browser on your device, and now once you open the browser, just go to roblox.com. So it will take you to the Roblox homepage, and uh, where you have to tap on this menu button and tap on this avatar. In avatar editor you will be able to do, you will be able to wear your multiple hairs. But how can you do that? Just so to use avatar editor on mobile or iPad, you just need to tap on this double A here. Just tap on it and tap on this request desktop website. So this website, after doing this, your avatar editor will be open here successfully. Now if you want to wear multiple hairs, just tap on this head and body and go to here. Now you can see that right now I have only selected one hair. I'll show you how can you select multiple hairs. So first of all, you have to hold a new hair and copy link address. Now you just need to open new tab and just paste your link address here and tap on asset ID here. Tap on asset ID. Let me paste it again. Tap on asset ID and select asset ID and copy asset ID. And now just need to go back to avatar page, and here you have to scroll down and you will see here advanced link. Just paste your asset ID here. So once you paste your asset ID, just tap on this save and save again to save your hair, and you can see that I have selected now 2 hairs. So if you want to wear multiple hairs, you have to repeat the steps and you will be able to select multiple hairs at the same time. I hope you like it guys, and thanks for watching.